Each of your courses in the LMS will have its own gradebook, which you can access by going to the individual course's dashboard, and from there you'll see the gradebook icon. Or you can get there by going to the grades link in the navigation drawer. Students also have a version of this link where they can get access to their course grades. Here's an example gradebook. There are two ways of navigating this page. There's a drop-down at the top that is a duplicate of all the tabbed choices, where it goes View, Setup, Scales, Letters, Import, Export, and by selecting one of those tabs, a unique group of tabs will display below. We'll stick to just the main ones for this tutorial. This is the main grade report page. As one scrolls down, you'll see all your students listed alphabetically below. If an instructor has many students, it is beneficial to know that they can be organized by letter of the first name or last name by just tapping on the appropriate letter above. If one scrolls down, you can see that the students are arranged alphabetically for a given course, and by panning to the right, you'll see all of the assignments populating there. And if you choose to edit these, you can do that by selecting the edit icon at the top, and then you can go through and change the grades fairly readily. Much of this is fairly intuitive, so I'll go through it fairly rapidly. To look at an individual student, one may go to that student and then choose this grid icon, which will show just that student's grades, or one can edit that student's grade by tapping the edit icon there. Along the top of the grid, you'll also see that if you tap that, you'll then look at the grades for just that one item, and you can edit those here as well, and select Save. This is all fairly self-evident. I will point out one more thing before we leave this area. If you click Message to Grade Range, that will allow you to send out a message of consolation or encouragement or what have you to any students that fall within a certain grade range on an assignment selected from this dropdown for students who are performing perhaps below expectation.